Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Herbal Body Shop. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your weight gain smoothie. And trust me, this smoothie will help you gain weight in 1 week. So, I'll be using 1 stick of overripe banana. I mean overripe banana. Please do not get those green or half green banana. Overripe banana is what you need for this recipe. Bananas are excellent source of carbohydrates. It has high content of calories, which will help you gain weight naturally, and it gives you energy too. We will use 1 avocado, popularly known as pear. Avocado are very high in calories and fat, so it puts you in calorie surplus. This is why it's being needed in this recipe. So guys, we'll be adding cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are a rich source of protein. They are popularly known as bodybuilding foods, and it helps with muscle gain. We will add full cream milk. Full cream milk is rich in calcium, carbohydrates and protein, so it's a good source of calories and beneficial nutrients that will help you to gain weight. This is yogurt. I'll be adding yogurt. The best yogurt to use for this smoothie is plain Greek yogurt, because plain Greek yogurt is very high in protein and calories. It's preferable you use plain Greek yogurt, not flavored yogurt, if you're looking for a way to gain weight faster. I have here with me peanut butter. Peanut butter is a great source of protein, healthy fats and vitamins. So guys, we'll cut this banana into pieces. This is the pear, so we need to cut this pear. Oh, look at how good it's looking. Okay guys, it's time for blending. So we'll blend everything. This is banana. I just added the banana, pear, cashew nuts. I added the milk, the yogurt, 1 spoon of peanut butter, then blend together. Wow, this looks so yummy. Oh, so our weight gain smoothie is ready. Trust me, taking this thing will make you gain weight in just 1 week. It's super effective. So take it in the morning and take it at night. If you try this, I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. This is the end of this video. If you love this video, give this video a thumb up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so when next I post amazing videos like this, you'll be notified. If you have any question or any contribution or anything you want me to talk about, do well to write it in the comment section. Your feedback is our watchword. Bye bye.